Hi, my name is Christian Uche, and you're welcome to my CSE 341 project. And on this project, I'll be building a student database, and this is where the work is being done. So very quickly, I'm just going to share my life. Well, before I share my life link, I just want us to look at something here. That should be swagger.json. So in my swagger.json, I already imputed my life link from render.js. I mean, on render.com. Okay. All right. So I already have it live. So if we're not live, so maybe we click here and I should be seeing something coming up right like this. So the first thing we should see is welcome to School API. Very good. Welcome to the School API. So very quickly, we just need to run some. So I need the API document. So here in the API document, let's just try to check all get, posts, put, and delete if they are working. So let's go to get all students. So we're going to try this out very quickly because of our time. Try that out very quickly. Yes. So in our database, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students. Okay, we have 5 students. Okay, you're gonna clear that. Close it. So let's try to post into the students. So let's try posting if it's gonna work. So let's add. Oh, we've not tried that out. Sorry about that. So let's add Frederick. Let's just add Frederick. Let's just add Tony. So that's for the students. The age, let's say 34. Okay, and let's add a mail, Gmail. So say Fred Tony, probably at gmail.com. And birthday, let's say we have on birthday 22/04/1998. Okay, so let's execute that. So we should see something. Correct. I'm gonna see it here. Alright, acknowledge to true. So we have an ID that has been posted. So let's copy that ID to see. So we're gonna work on that ID. So let's check if Frederick is in the student. Let's try out. Let's execute. Alright, so we have Frederick. Frederick is already here. So let's get by the ID. Let's find Frederick by that ID. Alright, so this Frederick. So let's also try other methods. So let's try to put or something Frederick. So instead of Frederick, he said his name is Fred. But here is Anthony. So he's also gonna change everything. We're also gonna change his email to Fred. So it didn't change that. Gmail.com. So check birthday 23/05/19. Let's execute that. So it is corrected. Okay. So let's do one last step. Let's delete Frederick. Student deleted successfully. So we won't be able to find that code, that ID any longer. Okay. So let's also check for courses. Let's try it out. Let's execute. And once we execute, we have all the courses here. So we are going to also try some steps. You can change for computer programming. Let's close this so I won't get confused. So we can also post something. During the post, let's try that. Let's say ROEL 250. Let's say Jesus Christ and the everlasting gospel. Let's add that credit load is just 1. Department, let's say really is semester. Let's choose the description. Let's add help to Christ. Everyone come to Christ. So let's post that as a course. So posting that already 10 minutes. So we've already created that. So let's leave that. Or let's try getting it if it's working. Getting a single course by ID. Let's get by ID. Let's try it out. There we go. Alright, so this is the course. Okay, Jesus Christ and the everlasting gospel. So very quickly, let's add a put. So I wanted to make a change to 250 course. We made a mistake. Okay, so the unit this time we're adding to department. So that's religion. So we have a pain everyone come to Christ. So I'm making a change to that ID. So I'm making a change to that ID. So course updated successfully. So let's try the delete if you can delete that particular course. Let's try deleting that course. Try that course deleted successfully. So if we try to get that particular course, that particular religion course. So let's get by ID. So I'm taking out this ID and putting this one. So let's exit. See that? Course not found. So it's deleted. Course not found. So thank you very much for watching and I really appreciate it. I'm going to send my link to my YouTube and also to my GitHub and render. Thank you.